You have the hiccups, huh? Yeah, you do. Look mean like Daddy. Long leg and foot. Yeah. And he just passed gas, so we couldn't hear that. Bless you. Yeah. Mommy loves you. He's just a pissed off looking baby.